How to prepare a double espresso in LIGRE Easy Mode. Remove the portafilter by gently turning it to the left. Place it into the grinder's holder and let go. The LIGRE CG grinder automatically detects the empty portafilter and calibrates it thanks to the integrated scale. Grinding starts on its own. Once the preset amount has been reached, the grinder stops, and you can remove the portafilter. Level the surface of the ground coffee with the leveler. Then tamp it straight, evenly, and with firm, consistent pressure. You can brush away any remaining coffee grounds with a barista brush. Now insert the portafilter into the brew group by turning it from a slight left angle towards the center until it locks into place. To start the brewing process, press the center butterfly. Make sure that double espresso is selected on the touch screen. After 3 seconds, the brewing process starts automatically. A defined amount of water now flows through the puck. After around 25 to 35 seconds, the extraction stops automatically. Your espresso is now ready for you to enjoy.